What's going on, guys? This is Ron from TST Industries, and today we're doing a little product feature. We are talking the Womet-Tech Evos Shorty Levers. As you can see, they are installed here on this 2019 Z650. These specific ones are going to be compatible with 2017 and up Z650, Ninja 650, and the Z900 as well. You may be asking yourself, why do I want to upgrade my levers? Why on earth would I possibly want to do that? And that's a great question. There's quite a few reasons. Right off the bat, you're going to notice that these levers have a very race-inspired design. Upon receiving them, you'll notice all the very sharp, hard angles put into these. They are a CNC machined billet aluminum, and then they are anodized black. So you're getting a very high quality, a very durable product. Now stock, these are going to come with the red adjuster. Now what does this adjuster do? It adjusts how far the lever sits off the bar for you. If you've got small hands, you want to set it at that minimum setting. If you've got larger hands, all the way up to the max, but there are 6 different settings for you to work with for your riding style and comfort. Now, if the red isn't your jam, maybe you want blue to match your bike, we do sell blue. We have black, silver, and gold as well. Whatever's gonna fit best for your bike and for your style, you can go ahead and pick that up. But again, they do come separate, stock red, separate colors for you to purchase. Moving from there, you will notice these are the Shorty levers. They are shorter. Compared to the stock OEM lever, you'll notice that there's about an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches of metal not there at the end. Now, how is that gonna help you as a rider? It's gonna allow you to only have 1, 2, maybe 3 fingers on the levers themselves. It's gonna allow you to keep your hands more planted on the bars. There's gonna be less interference if maybe you're wearing gloves or you do have bigger hands. It's just gonna make that ride a lot more enjoyable and more comfortable for you as far as ergonomics go. The fact that they are shorter levers is gonna make it to where they're not gonna interfere with the ground if your bike were to go down. Typically, you'll see the larger OEM levers, they'll bend, they'll break, they'll get all twisted up. These ones most likely will not interfere with the ground, so you should be able to take your bike, ride it home, not worry about a tow or anything like that. Now, I hope you've enjoyed checking out this product with us. We enjoy them. We put them all of our bikes here. If you want to check these out, see the other products we have, check out tstindustries.com, see all the parts for your bike, as well as other bikes you may have in your stable. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.